Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the fuel pump, how to use bidirectional function on the YOUCANIC scanner to turn on the fuel pump, and also how to check the fuel pressure at the rail. So first let's see how we turn on the fuel pump. Select Diagnostics. Let's go back here. Diagnostics, and then you select your make. And then you'll need to select the model. You can do that manually, or the easiest thing is to select Smart VIN. That's gonna pull the VIN number of the vehicle and then select it for you. And then here, press left for left-hand steering vehicles, or right for right-hand steering vehicles. Now here we can do quick scan, which goes through all the control modules and tells us what's wrong with the car. Or we can do control modules. Under here we go to drive, go to motor electronics, and then we go to active tests, and then we select fuel pump, press OK, and then here we see fuel pump is off. We can press 3, and that's going to turn that on. And we need to turn on the ignition now. Let's try that again. Yeah, there you can see fuel pump on. And then press 4, we turn fuel pump off, and you can alternate. So if you got a gauge at the fuel rail, you can turn it on and off right through here. Or if the car is running, you can turn off the fuel pump from here. Now let's see how you check the fuel pressure. You're gonna go back, exit this menu, we go all the way back to the front. Right, from here you press Diagnostics, scroll to the top, select OBD2, and then select Auto Scan again. And then this is gonna, you just need to press OK there, engine control module from this menu, and then you select live data. And then go all data, and then right here scroll down and you'll see the fuel trims and percentage there, but you got the fuel pressure, rail fuel pressure down here. Fuel pressure, it's at 350 kilopascal, and you can see that right there. So there's a lot of data that's shown in this menu here, so you can check, and if you're troubleshooting a car, you got so much information here that you can look at. But you can check the fuel rail fuel pressure right there. You can also graph it if you wanted to. Select graph, and then you have to scroll down here until you see a fuel pressure, and then you can see that right there. And it's staying steady at 380, but we had a drop there about 370. So you can see that as we put some demand on the engine, you can see the pressure dropping a little bit, and then it's built in right up by the fuel pump. So not dropping a whole lot, to about 370, so that's not bad. You can see that. And that's it. That's how you turn on the fuel pump, and how you turn it off as well, and then how you can check the fuel pressure using the YOUCANIC full system scanner. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.